Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing video. In this video, I am going to share with you such a beautiful and gorgeous Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very unique and beautiful, and you love this video because it is very helpful for you. So watch the video till end and don't forget to press bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day.